In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit employee information in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're an HR professional, a small business owner, or someone who needs a quick tutorial, this simple yet effective guide will walk you through the process in just a few minutes. To begin, you'll first need to sign in to QuickBooks Online. Simply head over to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. This step is crucial as it ensures you access all your business data securely. Once you've clicked on Sign In, choose QuickBooks Online from the list of available QuickBooks products. This will direct you to the specific portal we'll be working with today. Next, you'll need to enter your credentials. This means typing in your username and password that you have previously set up for your QuickBooks Online account. Once you've entered the information correctly, click Continue to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to the Employees section. Navigate through the menu and find the Employees tab. This section contains all the details about the employees registered within your QuickBooks account. Click on it and you will be taken to a page displaying a list of employees. It's here that you'll find the specific profile you wish to update. Select the employee profile that needs updating. Simply click on the employee's name to open their profile. Now let's focus on updating the emergency contact information. Scroll down until you find the emergency contact section. It's important to ensure that this information is up to date, as it plays a crucial role in case of any workplace emergencies. In the emergency contact section, you'll notice an edit button. Click on this button to open the fields for editing. This will allow you to change the necessary details such as the contact's name, phone number, or any additional information required to ensure the contact list is accurate and complete. Once you've made the necessary updates, double check the details for any potential errors. It's easy to overlook something as simple as a misspelled phone number, which could cause confusion if the need arises to reach the contact. Finally, after confirming that all the updates are correctly entered and satisfy your requirements, click on the Save button. This action will ensure that your changes are securely saved within the system and reflected in the employee's profile immediately. There you have it. You've successfully edited an employee's information in QuickBooks Online, ensuring all their personal data, including emergency contact details, are current and accurate. This process is simple, but integral to maintaining a well-organized and efficient payroll system. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other QuickBooks tutorials for more helpful tips.